So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create amazing stop motion effects without any software out of your videos. Now in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser in any of your platform, and here you have to search for Clydio.com. Just simply hit enter, and here you if you won't find the option here, just simply go to this all tools option. Once you do that, you need to scroll down until you find the option of stop motion videos. Here you're gonna see this option which says stop motion. Just simply tap over there, and here it will ask you to upload your video file. For example, if I upload the video file here, let's wait for the file to get uploaded. It may take some time depending upon your internet connection speed. Once the video gets uploaded, you're gonna find multiple options of which you can use to customize your stop motion effect. Now here you're gonna see I can even change the speed of stop motion and here the clip rate as well. Once I'm satisfied with my changes, all I need to do is to just simply hit export and save the video file. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.